So we have this question. You can see that this is plural. So we have two unknowns, K and T. Now if you look, it's like this is more complex than what we've treated earlier, but it's still simple because if you look, we have the upper part and the lower part. So what we are going to do is to take the upper part first and probably the lower part secondly. Do you understand? Alright, so let me draw the upper part first so that we can see it clearly. So we've got something like this. This place is 100 degrees. We've got K degrees. And then we've got 20 degrees. Do you understand? So now we are expected to find K. Now if you look clearly, this is an arc that comes from the circle and ends on the circle. So it tells us that it's angle on a line. And all we need to do is to add all the angles on the path and equate it to 180 degrees. Do you understand? Can we do that? So we'll be having 20 plus 100 plus K equals to 180 degrees. What's the reason for this? Angles on a line sum up to 180 degrees. Sum up to 180 degrees. Do you understand? 20 plus 100 will give us 120. So we have 120 plus K equals to 180 degrees. We collect like terms. 120 goes to the other side. So we'll be having K equals to 180 minus 120. Do you understand? So K equals to 180 minus 120 will give us 60 degrees. So it means that K equals to 60 degrees. Does this make sense? Now we've got to do the other part, which is the part that is below, to be able to find T. So can I draw the part below so that we can see it clearly? So we have this, and then we've got this. This place is T degree. We've got 80 degrees. And then we've got 3T. Now if you look, this is an arc starting from the line and ending on the line. Does this make sense? So we have angle on the line and we just add all the angles on that part and equate to 180 degrees. Can I rub up this part so that I can do this? So if I add all the angles on the part, I'll be having 3T plus 80 plus T equals to 180. Why? Because angles on a line sum up to 180 degrees. Does this make sense? So if I collect like term, I'll be having 3T plus T plus 80 equals to 180 degrees. Do you see I've not taken anything across the equal to sign? So the sign did not change. I just rearranged to bring 3T and T together. 3T plus T will give us 4T. And then I have plus 80 equals to 180 degrees. So 80 goes to meet 180. I'll be having 40 equals to 180 minus 80 degrees. Do you understand this? Alright, let me do the remaining here. So I'll be having 40 equals to 180 minus 80 is 100. So to find T, I divide both sides by 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 1. I'm left with T equals to 4 here 1, 4 in 10 is 2, remainder 2, 4 in 20 is 5. So it means T equals to 25 degrees. Do you understand?